Welcome to this LightingSupply.com product detail video. This Satco bulb can be used to replace a 250-watt metal halide bulb. It produces 7,800 lumens. This bulb is not dimmable. This bulb has a color temperature of 5,000 Kelvin or daylight. It has an average life of 50,000 hours. Direct wiring is only approved for 100 volts through 277 volts, and the ballast must be removed from the fixture. This product has light panels that lock into place, creating three separate beam angle options: 360 degrees, 270 degrees, and 180 degrees. It is damp location rated, and it is approved for enclosed fixtures. You can buy this Satco bulb and thousands of other products at LightingSupply.com.